When we incorporate the second prophecy about the Dow reaching 20,000 points and its connection to a breakthrough with the dinar, the analysis gains new dimensions, particularly in economics and global finance. This additional prophecy suggests that significant financial developments will accompany the spiritual, political, and humanitarian shifts outlined earlier. Here's a deeper breakdown of both prophecies together. Comprehensive analysis of the combined prophecies. Economic significance and the dinar breakthrough. 1. Dow at 20,000 points. The mention of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, crossing 20,000 points is a critical economic marker. The DJIA, a key U.S. stock market index, symbolizes the health of the global financial system. Reaching such a milestone hints at financial optimism, but it can also mark a turning point, either for sustained growth or an upcoming correction. Interpretation. The prophecy connects this financial milestone with a massive breakthrough involving the Iraqi dinar. This could imply that the dinar, a currency that has been heavily devalued, may undergo a revaluation, RV, appreciation, or become more influential in global markets. Implication. The Dow's growth signals economic prosperity in one part of the world, likely the West, while the dinar's breakthrough suggests that Iraq's economy and currency could align with this broader prosperity. Number 2. Break in the financial system in the Middle East. The earlier prophecy also predicted a disruption or restructuring in the Middle Eastern financial system. The dinar, mentioned both times, might play a pivotal role in this shift. A revaluation or financial transformation involving the dinar could open opportunities for Iraq to participate more actively in the global economy. Shocks to the financial system might coincide with the broader economic shifts, potentially leading to wealth redistribution or market volatility. 3. Why the dinar matters. The Iraqi dinar has been of interest to speculators due to its potential for revaluation after Iraq's political stabilization. However, such revaluations are rare and highly speculative. In prophetic terms, the breakthrough with the dinar suggests that divine timing is at work, an event that will surprise many, possibly marking an unexpected financial windfall or shift in regional wealth. Spiritual themes in the economic shift. 1. Prosperity in unexpected places. Both prophecies suggest that God will bring prosperity in regions currently marked by conflict and chaos: Iraq, Iran, Palestine, and the Middle East. The connection between spiritual breakthrough and financial success reflects the idea that blessings will manifest in tangible ways, like economic prosperity, once prayers are answered and divine intervention occurs. 2. Economic prosperity as divine provision. The economic breakthroughs described are not just material gains. They are linked to God's purpose of empowering believers to help others. The redistribution of wealth through the dinar's revaluation or other economic shifts reflects divine justice and provision. God's goal is that His people will have the means to care for the hungry, lonely, and poor. 3. Financial collapse and resurrection. The prophecy warns of financial instability, a break in the financial system, but also promises new beginnings after the disruption. This echoes biblical themes of death and resurrection, a collapse of old systems to make way for new prosperity. Geopolitical implications. 1. America's role and shift with Iran. The earlier prophecy mentions removing America's hand from Iran, which implies a shift in U.S.-Iran relations. This could mean a withdrawal of American influence or a new phase in diplomatic relationships. Economic realignment. If sanctions or financial restrictions are lifted, Iran and Iraq could experience economic liberation, fueling the predicted financial breakthroughs. Regional leadership change. The grave surrender mentioned earlier might refer to regime changes or the fall of current power structures in the region, creating space for new leadership and economic revival. 2. Impact on global markets. A major change in the Middle East's financial system, especially involving the dinar, could impact global trade and markets. The prophecy implies that global economic dynamics, symbolized by the Dow, are interconnected with these regional shifts. This suggests that Middle Eastern events could influence Western markets, reinforcing the idea that unexpected places will become centers of prosperity. Interconnected timing. Divine and market events. The The prophecy indicates that timing is essential. The breakthroughs will come when conditions seem worst. This aligns with both. 1. Historical patterns of economic recovery. Markets often rally after major crises. 2. Spiritual patterns of breakthrough. God acting when things appear most dire. The reference to divine timing emphasizes that believers must maintain faith and expectation. The Dow at 20,000 could be a marker of God's unfolding plan, signifying the moment when hidden blessings will be revealed and the breakthrough with the dinar will manifest. Conclusion. A convergence of spiritual, economic, and political realities. The prophecies suggest a convergence of divine intervention, economic change, and political realignment in the Middle East. The revaluation of the dinar and a shift in the financial system point to a coming economic transformation in Iraq and neighboring regions. Global markets, represented by the Dow, are interconnected with these changes, hinting at far-reaching financial consequences. The prayers of believers, particularly those in the Middle East, are portrayed as the catalyst for divine action, leading to provision, prosperity, and humanitarian empowerment. Even amid political instability and wickedness, God's plan will unfold, bringing unexpected blessings and breakthroughs. This analysis highlights that the prophecies are not just spiritual predictions, but multi-layered messages about economics, politics, and divine purpose, inviting believers to remain hopeful and engaged in prayer and service.